Welcome to Financial Education Club, Building Business Credit Without Your Social Security Number. The more insight you have about credit, the easier it is to strengthen your financial well-being. Learn how to successfully manage your credit score and business credit. Now, you can have the worst credit in the world and start a business and start building business credit without using your Social Security number or anything that has to do with your personal credit. Right here in the back of the lessons, we show you what you need to do to be compliant and start building business credit for yourself. We have everything from start to finish, what you need to do, what you need to do first. Got to get everything in order. You got to show that you're credible. You got to show that you're compliant, business compliant. And we give you the steps laid out, 1, 2, 3, on what to do and which ones to do first. And then when we get to the bottom where we start applying for store vendor cards, store credit, vendor credit, the first ones we start out with would be net 30 accounts. This whole lesson, this whole course right here will take you through everything that you need to know to get started. We also have live classes, and if you're a member, you'll be sent out a link to those live classes for update information and for learning.